So hello guys, welcome back to all of you in our official YouTube channel. Today our video topic is that what is computer hardware and how it works. So before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and also like this video. Put a good comment in the comment section because it really motivates us and we create more videos for you all guys. So let's start the video. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about that what is computer hardware. Computer hardware is refer to all the physical parts of a computer that we can see, touch. It's include device and component that work together and make computer function properly. Without a hardware, computer cannot operate, because hardware is the backbone of every digital system. From small smartphone to large supercomputer, all devices depend on hardware to process information, store data and perform tasks. Okay, let me do this. Okay. Now we fix that camera here. Okay. Okay. In simple words, hardware is the body of computer, while software is the brain that give instruction. For example, when you type keyboard, the keyboard is hardware and the program receive your typing is software, both working together to complete task. Important of computer hardware, let's talk about it. Okay, so let's we talk about it, that important of computer hardware. Computer hardware is the very important because it's allow user to perform different activities such as studying, gaming, office work, communication, design, programming and browsing internet. Every hardware component has a special role, and together they make computer fast, efficient and useful. Okay, so now let's talk about the main component of computer hardware. So here are now number first one, we will talk about. There are two main components, one is input and other is output. Okay, so we will talk about one by one of these. Okay, so the input device are used to enter data and instruction into computer. These devices allow user to interact with the system. Number first one is keyboard. Keyboard is the one of the most common input device. It is used for typing text and commands into computer. Okay, into computer. Second one is the mouse. A mouse can help user move the cursor icon, open file and navigate program easily. Next one is scanner, and the other one is microphone, and the last one is webcam. There are many type of input device you can see and its importance for computer device. Okay, and let me check that more device for you. Okay. Okay. So let me put that there. Okay, so the second one is output device display to display the result processed by the computer. Number first one is monitor, number second one is printer, number third one is speaker, number fourth one is projector. Okay, and the next one is processing device, CPU, storage device, hard disk, SSD, USB, memory card. Further more questions you have and you want to ask that, so you can tell me in the comment section, because my comment section is always open for you all guys. And I hope you like this video. See you in my next video. Goodbye, thanks for watching. Let me done this here.